Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to enable and what is ePedal. Let's start with the basics. The Nissan ePedal is an innovative driving technology that allows you to control the vehicle acceleration, deceleration and braking using only accelerator pedal. It is primarily found in Nissan electric vehicle lineup, such as Nissan Leaf and the Nissan Aria, but can be found in ePOWER Qashqai and ePOWER X-Trail. How it works. The system leverages the electric motor regenerative braking capabilities to slow down the car significantly the moment you lift your foot on the pedal. To use it, press down acceleration pedal to accelerate normally. Ease off, the car begins to slow down, though through regenerative braking, thanks to which it will recharge the battery. Lift fully, the car applies friction brakes automatically to bring the vehicle to complete stop even on hills. To enable or disable this function, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the ePedal. Press it, and when you see ePedal indicator on the instrument cluster, it means that this function is enabled. Press it again to disable it. If you're using it the first time, make sure to use it in controlled environment because the braking force is very strong. Now let me tell you about the benefits. First benefit is simplified driving. It reduces the need to constantly switch your foot between the gas and brake pedals, which is particularly helpful in heavy stop-and-go city traffic. Energy efficiency. By maximizing regenerative braking, the system converts kinetic energy back into electricity, slightly extending the vehicle driving range. And in the end, smooth handling. It provides more intuitive connection between driver and the car, especially when navigating winding roads. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.